Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm excited to share with you two amazing new DIYs. As always, they're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. First off, I'm going to be starting off with two of these plates, and I'm just going to paint them white with some craft paint. Now I'm going to be taking Mod Podge and painting one half of my plates. I'll be using these bronze leaf flakes that I picked up from Amazon. So I'm going to cover up the portion of the plate that is covered in the Mod Podge, and I'm going to try to make sure that I cover up as much of the plate that I can. While the first layer of bronze leaf dries, I'm going to go in with this bronze craft paint that I picked up from Michael's, and I'm just going to paint the other section of my plate. Off camera, I added another layer of the bronze leaf, and now I'm just going to be going in with this bling strip that I picked up from Amazon. Right here, I'm just showing you me measuring off how much of the bling strip that I'm going to be needing. And I did this because the bronze leaf is very delicate and I didn't want to risk messing up the whole project if I didn't have the correct measurement. Right here you see me about to glue on the second plate. Next, I'm going to be taking this dowel that I picked up from my local craft supply, and I'm just going to be painting it white. Since this is a small piece, I'm going to be just using the hand painting method that I showed you guys a few times before. Next, I'm going to be taking this glass candle tray that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be painting it white. So now it's just time to assemble everything. Guys, I assembled most of this off camera because I needed to concentrate and make sure I got it on straight. And so here's what it looks like. I really do love it. What do you guys think? For my next DIY, I'm going to be taking this Dollar Tree glass vase, and I'm also going to be using this metallic bronze paint. Once I get done painting this, I'm going to set it aside to dry and begin to work on the second part of this project. Once again, I'm going to be using this bronze leaf that I picked up from Amazon, and I'm just going to coat my lids with Mod Podge, and then I'm going to go back in and place that bronze leaf on top. Right here, I'm just using a popsicle stick to kind of press everything down, and you'll see why I needed to do this later on. Next, I'm going to be using this bling diamond sticker that I picked up from Amazon. And now it's time to assemble everything. This diamond shaped tea light holder is from Dollar Tree. I had these old Dollar Tree flowers at home, so I decided to use some to fill my containers. I'll also be using this vase filler and light set from Dollar Tree. Right here, I'm just showing you how I cut my flowers so that it creates a staggered effect. So what I did was just cut some shorter and some longer, and that's how I was able to achieve that effect. guys, this is what they look like. I really do love them. However, I feel like I want to find a different type of light so that it doesn't flash different colors. I think I prefer it to be one consistent color. It's just my opinion. But what do you guys think? Alright guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. If you enjoyed this little video, please give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.